blame on me. No, no, don't you put the blame on me. Let me tell you, I know all too well, their times can get so hard and heavy.